This is not lava from a volcano. This is stone, melting at 1600 degrees. But what happens next will shock you. Temperatures rise to over 1600 degrees. Solid rock begins to lose its form, turning into a thick, glowing liquid. The liquid stone is spun at extreme speed, stretching into microscopic fibers, just like in dust mines. The fibers are collected carefully. Special binders are added, compressed into thick layers, cut into precise shapes. This is not ordinary lava. This is solid stone, heated to over 1600 degrees. The temperature here is hotter than most volcanic eruptions. This liquid fire moves with incredible force, carrying the energy of molten earth itself. Despite the extreme danger, skilled workers operate just meters away from this heat. Every movement is calculated, every second.
This entire process begins with volcanic basalt, a dense and incredibly strong natural rock formed deep within the earth.
Basalt is one of the toughest materials found in nature, capable of withstanding extreme conditions. Its dense structure makes it ideal for high-temperature processing. Once collected, the raw basalt begins its journey through a highly controlled industrial system. Massive conveyor lines move.
At this stage, the massive stones are broken down using powerful crushing systems. The machine applies extreme force.
Snips. After crushing, the material is carefully sorted using high-speed vibrating screens. Only particles of the correct size are allowed. The prepared material is now ready to enter the most extreme phase of the process. As it moves toward the furnace, temperatures rise rapidly. Inside the furnace, temperatures exceed 1600 degrees Celsius. The heat is so intense that even the hardest engines. As the temperature continues to rise, the solid basalt begins to lose its strength. The intense heat penetrates deep into its nations. The solid structure can no longer withstand the extreme temperature. What was once a rigid stone begins to collapse under its own weight. At this stage, the basalt has fully transitioned into a molten state. It behaves like a thick, glowing liquid. The heat reaches its peak, pushing the material to its most extreme state. The glowing stream carries enormous thermal flares. But the most incredible part is about to begin. This molten stream is not the final product, it is only the build. As the molten stream enters the spinning chamber, everything changes instantly. The liquid stone is forced into motion at increments. In just seconds, the blazing hot fibers begin to cool and lose their glow. What was once burning liquid now becomes. Under extreme centrifugal force, the molten material is stretched into microscopic fibers. These glowing threads form in mid-air. But this is only the beginning of its final form. These delicate fibers will soon be transformed into one of the most powerful insulation materials. After the spinning process, the delicate fibers are carefully collected. They drift down like industrial snow, forming oeuvres. The fibers begin to interlock naturally as they settle. Layer by layer, a new structure starts forming. A special binding agent is applied to strengthen the structure. This chemical process locks the fibers together. It ensures durability and long-term stability. Now the material enters the compression stage. Massive rollers apply controlled pressure. This transforms loose fibers into a compact structure. As pressure increases, the density of the material changes. Air gaps are reduced and the structure becomes stronger. This is essential for insulation performance. The process continues on a massive production line. Every section works in perfect synchronization. Efficiency and precision define the entire system. Next, the material is prepared for precise shaping. Industrial cutting systems activate with extreme accuracy. Every piece is formed with exact dimensions. The material is shaped into structured panels. Each piece is carefully formed for industrial use. Standardization ensures global application. Strict quality control ensures perfection. Every panel is tested for density and strength. Only flawless pieces move forward. Before final approval, the material undergoes extreme testing. It must withstand intense heat exposure. Only then is it considered safe for use. Even under direct flames, the material holds its structure. It does not melt or collapse. This is what makes it extraordinary. It effectively blocks heat transfer. One side burns, while the other remains cool. This is the science of insulation. The material also resists water absorption. Moisture does not penetrate its structure. This adds long-term durability. Final adjustments ensure perfect dimensions. Every piece is uniform and ready for shipment. The process is now complete.
The finished material is carefully packaged. It is protected for transportation, ready for global distribution.
Massive warehouses store the final product. Logistics systems manage global supply. Demand continues to grow worldwide. The material is now ready for transport. It is loaded into containers for shipment. The journey continues beyond the factory.
This material is used across the world. From homes to industries, its applications are endless. It supports modern infrastructure globally.
Inside buildings, it provides thermal protection. It improves energy efficiency. It enhances safety and comfort.
From molten rock to advanced insulation, this entire transformation is a masterpiece of engineering. Science has turned fire into protection.
Despite its strength, the material remains lightweight and flexible. It can absorb pressure without breaking. This balance is what makes it unique.
The transformation is now complete. What was once molten stone has become a highly engineered insulation material. Advanced cutting systems ensure perfect uniformity. Every piece meets strict industrial standards. Precision defines the final product. Now begins the ultimate test. Extreme heat is applied to measure performance. This is where true resistance is proven. Even under direct flame exposure, the structure remains intact. It does not melt or collapse. This is true fire resistance. It effectively blocks heat transfer across its structure. One side remains extremely hot while the other stays cool. This is advanced thermal engineering.
It also performs under smoke and extreme conditions. The structure remains stable and unaffected. Safety is fully maintained.
Inside buildings, this material plays a crucial role. It improves energy efficiency and thermal protection. It is widely used in modern construction. From industrial plants to skyscrapers, its applications are everywhere. It supports modern infrastructure globally. Engineering meets real-world demand. It significantly reduces energy loss. Heat remains controlled inside structures. This leads to improved efficiency.
This material is not limited to one place. It is used across industries worldwide. Its impact is global and constantly growing.
Behind this material lies advanced science. Every fiber is engineered for performance. It represents modern material innovation. The entire process is a combination of power and precision. Every step flows seamlessly. It is industrial perfection in motion. Every product is verified before leaving the factory. Quality control ensures excellence. Nothing less than perfection is accepted. Now the material is ready for the world. It is packaged and shipped globally. The journey from stone to structure is complete.
Its impact is seen across the world. From homes to mega projects, it supports modern civilization.
From raw volcanic raw to advanced insulation, this transformation represents human innovation, science turning fire into safety.
And this is how stone becomes protection. Subscribe for more incredible industrial transformations. The world of science never stops evolving.